In this slide, we will understand how ferrite is measured. Ferrite can be measured by different methods, but the most practical field methods are based on magnetism. The reason is simple. Ferrite is magnetic, but austenite is mostly non-magnetic. So, if a stainless steel well contains ferrite, the instrument can detect its magnetic response. There are three main ways to measure or estimate ferrite. The first one is magnetic induction method. The first and most common method is magnetic induction. This is the modern field standard. A handheld instrument uses a probe with coil. When a probe is placed on the weld, the ferrite in the weld changes the magnetic field. The instrument measures this change and gives the result directly in FN or percent ferrite. The common example is the Fisher Ferritescope. This is method widely used because it is fast and portable and non-destructive and can be done directly on the well. For protection inspection, this is the most practical method. And the next is magnetic pull-off method. The second method is this. So this is an older method and the instrument like magnet gauge, that means it measures the force required to pull a magnet away from the weld surface. So another old method is the 7 gauge, which uses magnets of different strength. These methods are still mentioned in some standards, but they are less common in modern field inspection compared with magnetic induction instruments. The next test is metallographic point counting. This is the third method. This is a laboratory method, commonly related ASTM E562. In this method, a cross-section sample is cut from the weld, then polished and etched. After that, the microstructure is examined under a microscope. Ferrite is counted using a grid or image analysis. So this method gives the true volume percent ferrite, but it is destructive and slow. Because it is a destructive and slow. Because a sample must be removed from the weld. That is why it is usually used for qualification, investigation and duplex stainless steel, phase balance verification. For duplex stainless steel, metallography is very important because the ferrite austenite balance must be properly confirmed. And the next is predictive. So the predictive diagrams. So predictive diagrams are also used, but they are not actual tests. So they are used before welding to estimate ferrite based on weld metal chemistry. So these diagrams use chromium equivalent and nickel equivalent to predict how much ferrite may form in the weld. The commonly used diagram today is WRC 1992 diagram. The older diagram includes DeLong diagram and Scaffelaar diagram. So these diagrams help during welding procedure development, filler metal selection and ferrite prediction before actual welding. But remember, prediction is not measurement. Final ferrite confirmation should be done by testing when required. Okay, so final point is Ferrite measurement can be done mainly by three ways: magnetic induction, magnetic pull-off, and metallographic point counting and predictive diagrams. Okay. For field inspection, magnetic induction is commonly used. For true volume percent and duplex qualification, metallographic point counting is preferred.
Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our page for more upcoming videos.